What's going on, peoples? Welcome to the channel. On this episode, we're going to be working on a 2020 Hyundai Palisade. It's brand new, just came over from the dealership. We're going to be doing a full chrome delete on it, getting rid of all the chrome, the stainless, the silver painted pieces. Pretty much getting all color matched, and then also some gloss black stuff to match the rest of the trim. And we're also painting the wheels gloss black, so the whole vehicle is pretty much going to be murdered out. But let's go out here and I'll let you take a look at it and show you what it looks like before. Let's go.
Okay, he's special. That one on. Right there. I was gonna wash my own shit. Put my shit in here. Look at that dirty motherfucker over there.
Yeah, he ain't lying.
I'm gonna wash my own car.
Look at that. Man, this guy.
They got that was too low for me. I can't drop it like it's hot. It's not hot.
Terrible. Terrible. Back here, back here, back here. Take that, take that.
Goddamn hole. Say it, man. We will not beat them on a boat. And we will not beat them with a goat. Godlow on the track.
All right, as soon as he's done talking to himself or story time or whatever's going on, we're gonna get this thing pulled in here and start getting it taken apart. But until then, I'm gonna go over here and mind my business. Yeah.
Apply the lotion to the skin.
To the skin!
I don't ever look like I apply lotion to my
No.
Hey,
You look like you've never been introduced to lotion.
I wash my hands too much.
Man, that ain't got nothing to do with it.
This thing is honey roasted out here.
The haberdasheries and hemoglobin's going on around here. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like all torn apart. Got stuff going on all over the place in here. Shop is a mess. Look, here's a final look at what it looks like all tore apart. I mean, everything's taken off this thing. Roof rack, all the emblems, all the trim, the bumpers, wheels that are getting painted black, all the window trim, door handles, lower cladding trim on the bottom of the car. You can see we had to drop the headliner and everything just to get the roof rack off. And this the whole thing had to come apart. A lot of people think that this stuff gets done while it's still on the car, and that is not the case. There's a lot of time goes into taking these cars apart, putting them back together to color match them or chrome delete them the way we do it. Now, there's plenty of people that do paint everything on the vehicles, but not us. The stock wheels, these are getting painted gloss black and give the whole vehicle a murdered out look. Got one over here started prepping already. And on stock wheels, we don't take the tires off. There's really no need to. We can get down in here inside these lips and everything just fine. All right, guys, got this Palisade all taken apart. Got most of the pieces prepped, about to get in the booth, start painting some of this stuff. Should have this thing done in 3-4 days total. Depends on how often we get to work on it, but you're gonna be here for the whole process. All right, guys, we got the first batch of parts done. These are the color match pieces. It's actually a metallic black or a black pearl, whatever you want to call it. These are the main pieces, parts of the grill, the roof rack, door handles, some molding, one of the emblems. But the rest of the pieces that are coming in here next will be just a solid gloss black, like the window trim and stuff. That'll be getting done gloss black to match the rest of the miscellaneous trim on the truck. And then also the wheels are going gloss black, so those will be, hopefully I'll be able to fit those in here at the same time I paint the rest of the pieces. But yeah, that's them. I don't know what to say right now. So yeah. We'll be back with the rest of the pieces. Yeah. What up? All right, guys, that's going to be it for this one. Just wrapped up that first batch of parts. On the next episode, we're going to be getting the rest of the pieces all painted up, start getting this thing back together, so make sure you tune in for that. Drop a comment below. Let us know what you thought. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell. Don't forget the bell, man. I keep telling y'all. But until the next one,